This long-awaited feature may finally be ready. Satellite connectivity, which has long been rumored to be coming to Apple's iPhone, could finally make its debut alongside the iPhone 14 next month. The only thing that stands in the way of this feature is Apple reaching an agreement with a satellite partner between now and the Apple event slated for September 7th. Well, hello guys, welcome to House of Tech, and if you'd like to get news updates about gadgets and tech every day, hit that like and subscribe button. Apple has completed hardware tests that will allow the iPhone 14 to connect to satellite-based networks for emergency communications, according to Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. When you're out of cellular range, you can use satellite communications to send text and voice messages to emergency services. As revealed in some reports, you may even be able to notify your own contacts via satellite connectivity. Apple's ability to offer satellite communication service depends on whether Apple and operators can agree on a business model. In other words, Apple must reach an agreement with a satellite company to support the feature, but there is no technical reason why the iPhone 14 cannot. Adding the ability to send emergency texts when regular cellular connectivity is unavailable would be a significant upgrade to the iPhone, so it's easy to see why Apple is pursuing the technology. Apple, like other tech companies, promotes its devices for active lifestyles, which means that iPhone users may find themselves in areas where cellular towers cannot reach. When you factor in the possibility of severe weather caused by climate change disrupting communications, the ability to send emergency messages becomes even more critical. Apple may be interested in satellite connectivity for devices other than iPhones. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reported over the weekend that the feature could also be included with a rumored Apple Watch 8 Pro, a more rugged version of Apple's smartwatch aimed at extreme sports and outdoor enthusiasts. Support for satellite connectivity on the watch may be contingent on Apple lining up a partner, as Kuo suggests. Globalstar is the most likely candidate, according to Kuo's report, but even if satellite connectivity does not become available with the iPhone 14, Apple will have plenty of new features to discuss at next week's Apple event. The majority of the major changes are expected to be made to the iPhone 14 Pro models, with rumored upgrades to their main cameras and the removal of the notch from the Pro display. The front cameras on all four models are expected to be improved as well. You can be sure we'll keep you updated on this developing story, and as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you tomorrow.